Welcome to Theta Excel Importer. This training video demonstrates how to upload purchase documents into Business Central using the Excel importer. You will be able to import Excel files containing multiple documents in one upload if you set up the template to recognize an identifier in the Excel file. In our example, the reference column will be used to identify and group purchase document lines into a separate purchase document. In your Business Central client, go to Purchase Invoices, and then while in the list, click on Process and then click on Import from Excel. In the selection page, choose the pre-configured import template that contains the field mappings to your Excel file. In order to check the field mappings in the template selected, click on the link under the template code. For more information about how to set up templates, please check our other training video on how to create a purchase document mapping template. After you have selected the right template, look up on the Excel file name field and select the Excel file you want to import from your File Explorer. If you have multiple sheets in your Excel file, the system will ask you to choose the sheet name. Select the sheet name and then click OK to start the import. When the importer is finished, you can verify the multiple invoices created with multiple lines from one Excel file. This is the end of the training video. Thank you for watching.